So this video was supposed to be live on my YouTube channel, but YouTube's not working right now for me, so I'm just going to make this video. And this video is going to be about Joy Essential Oil. So I'm going to tell you some of the ways that I use it, some tips that I found out how other people use it, and some facts behind the oil. So it is a blend, so that means there's a bunch of different oils that make up Joy itself. Some of the oils are ylang-ylang, geranium, jasmine, palmarosa and rose, bergamot, lemon, tangerine, coriander, and Roman chamomile. It's a 15 milliliter bottle, so that's what I have right here. The cost for this, the retail cost is $56.58, and if you get it wholesale, it's $43. It's formulated to invite a sense of romance, bliss, and warmth when diffused. I like diffusing this one. It's really good. I like putting it in my diffuser necklace and smelling it. And I like also putting it on my diffuser bracelet that I have as well. Young Living recommends using 2 to 4 drops topical and also aromatic, like I said. I wonder... well, yes, I do wonder how other people use it. If you could leave me a comment down below this video and let me know how you use it and how you like it, that'd be awesome. Some people don't like the smell of Joy. And what I've heard is if it stinks to you the most, that's the one that you need the most. So, if you don't really like the smell of it, you could try using it at the bottom of your feet because that's the largest pores on our body. So, it'll work easier for you that way. Some tips that I found out that the way people do use this is places you can apply to is the back of your neck, your wrist, and as well as over your heart. So that's another good one. And if you're doing laundry, you can add 2 to 3 drops on a damp cloth and put it in with your clothes to dry. So you get that fresh floral scent all over your clothes right from this essential oil. I actually think I got Joy essential oil in my kit. So you can get this really big bottle in your kit. I'm not sure if they still are doing it right now, but I believe they still do have this one in the starter kit. And then other people use it for bath time and perfumes. So there's many different ways people use this essential oil. I like putting it in my diffuser necklace. Like I said, I just like sniffing it around me. I like having Joy on me 24/7. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.